Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Conversica AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in conversica.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Conversica website. Now from the home page, without logging in, you can request for support on deleting your account by hovering over to company and then clicking on contact us. You will then be taken into the contact page. From here you can directly fill out a contact form or use the customer support email to request for your account deletion service. Just fill up your information including your first and your last name, your organization name, your email address, and your industry, your job title, your country, and your phone number. After fulfilling all of these information, you can ask your query or enter your comment. Within the comments or query section, you can simply type in that you need assistance in deleting your account and also make sure to mention your account username. However, be very careful not to mention your account password within any email that you send to Conversica or anyone else. Then just click on Contact Us Now and this will send your email to the Conversica support team. Once they see your email and respond to it, you will receive the instructions that you can follow to delete your account. Just follow the instructions within your email and your account will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on Conversica AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.